cleaned up now, looking a little bit better. We're going to run it again here, but we'll just do a quick video of it so you can see what it looks like. But yeah, no, it's looking nice. So we'll run it here again now, and we'll be back. Sure. Be back. Okay, we're going to light it up again. It's like 30 below outside. We had to air it out a little bit in here because it was getting thick, but we don't want to leave the door open too much. It's too cold. So far it seems like it's running all right. We're going to end up doing a lot of running tomorrow. Heat cycle it, just check the oil. It looks good. No sign of any antifreeze or anything going in the oil. No drips at this point. So far it's actually sounding and looking pretty good. The one back cylinder, I was wondering about the heat temp a little bit on it.
Yeah.
But it was kind of going up in spurts. It didn't seem like it was getting as hot as the rest, but then all of a sudden it kind of started coming. So
like maybe the injector wasn't really.
Yeah, or the plug or something, I don't know. So we'll just have to run it some more and check. I guess we'll have to throw our jackets on tomorrow, and the place is going to get cool, but we'll run it so we can kind of get it up to temperature.
Yeah, we were so close.
Does it show any temperature now?
Yeah, we were 158. We only need 2 more degrees to hit our learning curve.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What time is it?
No, it's like 4:20.
Well, I can throw my jacket on. You want to throw yours on?
Yep. Well, I got heat in the cab, so I guess I got no windows to keep it in, but it does exist.
Open the door part way anyway, right?
Double check it for leakers. Because now I'm getting a little whiff of the antifreeze.
Yeah, I got a little whiff, and I don't know if it's just spillage somewhere or where it come from.
Well, when I got a whiff, my nose was right up off of it.
Yeah, and I was standing right here, so. I don't really know where we would have got a whiff from or why.
Even though I blew them and wiped them?
Yeah. I couldn't see nothing either, so. No barking, you're just about ready to go for a run. Hang on, buddy. Hang on, you gotta run a little more. Okay? Yeah, we'll run it a little more.
Now, oil pressure was at like 50 when we started. Now let's get more. 47, 46.
Yeah, and that's good, because we're just sitting there idling, so yeah. Yeah, if we can get it learning a bit, maybe it won't run quite so good. a little drip from Franny there. Oh. We'll be right back. Okay, we had a couple of small drips down below. Chris is just getting them. One fitting needs a little more tightening. So other than that, all the cylinders seem to be firing. And we kind of just got up to temperature, so it's starting to learn a little bit. The day's just about done, so we'll start again tomorrow. So, but other than that, it looks pretty good so far. So it's running fairly rich, but until it learns a little bit, it's going to do that. Better rich than lean. And yeah, we'll show you guys some more stuff tomorrow, but it seems to be coming along actually good. And yeah, we'll show you where the old owner happened to pop in today, the guy that painted this car back in like 82 or something. So yeah, it's really cool. We'll show you guys a bit of that too. We'll be back.